Good things come to those who wait. What do you think?
I think waiting is important.
I think waiting is not important. I think it is a propaganda. I think it is a mechanism of crowd control to say that good things come to those who wait. Because who's saying it? The powerful. And to whom? To the powerless.
Not necessarily.
What are the good things anyway?
Things that make you happy
Happiness is not a reward. It's a practice.
or a state of mind.
Yeah. It's like Aristotle's idea of eudaimonia,
Yeah.
where it's a state of being, and you reach that state when you cultivate certain things like virtues, like morality, like things that he mentions.
If I'm not wrong, he also said that either you're happy or you're not.
Yes, because if you keep waiting,
Yeah, so there's no such thing as waiting for happiness.
yes, if you base your happiness on the fulfillment of desires, then you're never going to be happy, because desires are just, it's like
Desires
running
are
on
endless.
Yeah, it's like a hedonic treadmill. Just goalpost keeps changing. You achieve one thing and then you just, yeah.
So this came out of Schopenhauer's understanding of things,
Yes,
of happiness.
yes, correct.
Right.
According to him, there's a pendulum. On one end of the pendulum, you have pain which stems from desiring things. Want causes hurt. And then on the other hand, you have boredom, because you've already fulfilled that desire, so now you're bored, you want something new. In between the two, when the pendulum swings, for a very short while, for a fleeting moment, you have something like happiness, according to Schopenhauer. But that's not really happiness at all.
So it's more important that we derive happiness from an internal source rather
Yes.
than external stimuli.
Yes. So when you say all good things come to those who wait, Schopenhauer's pendulum tries to tell you that there is no point in waiting, because it's so fleeting. The pendulum will keep swinging.
So basically the idea is don't postpone happiness.
Yeah.
Either you're happy or you're not happy at all.
Yes.
There's no
True.
such thing as waiting for happiness.
Yes. The idea that good things come to those who wait is based on three presumptions. First is that there is something good that you're waiting for. Second is you can achieve it. It is achievable. And third, it will give you happiness. But the last one is really faulty, because you may even get there only to realize that you were probably waiting for the wrong thing.